Hey, I've been on a series giving lots of fitness tips. We're on the last one, tip number 7. Let's talk about post-workout. Yay, good job. You worked out, you were active, so let's take care of your body afterwards. So, did you know that consuming or eating some protein after your workout is super helpful? So, eating good protein is important because it gives your body the amino acids it needs to repair and rebuild your muscles with proteins. So it also is like the building blocks required to build a new muscle tissue. So get some good protein. What about protein powder? I just made a smoothie with protein powder. I'll tell you what's in there in a minute, but Young Living has a few protein powders. I grabbed out of the cupboard Balance Complete. It's vanilla cream flavored. It's also could be a meal replacement, but it has 11 grams of protein. It's super good. Also, that Young Living has Pure Protein Complete in vanilla spice and chocolate, which is delicious. And they also carry these protein bite bars. So get some healthy protein, even almonds, you know, even after a smoothie in the afternoon is great. So my recipe here is a big handful of spinach, some almond milk. I put blueberries and a little bit of frozen blueberries, frozen pineapple, and the Pure Protein Balance Complete, and a few drops of orange essential oil. So this tastes like orange creamsicle. Yummy. Okay, on to the next thing. Now, I hate being sore. What about you? Some people don't even want to work out because they get sore afterwards. Sometimes it feels good to, you worked out to be sore, but I always have this one supplement on hand, Aminowise. So it is a powder. Let me get my water here. That it also makes you drink more water and stay hydrated. It's a powder that you put in water, and it helps with that post soreness because you can see the powder here. It lessens your fatigue afterwards and enhances the muscle recovery. So you could be drinking this before, during, and after your workout, really. But it helps your muscles because it reduces that lactic acid that makes us feel sore, and it contains branch amino acids in it. I love this because there's no preservatives, synthetic colors or dyes, and no artificial flavors, no added sugar or artificial sweeteners. It's 25 calories a scoop, and it tastes really good. It's okay to give it to your kids too. Okay, so drink your water. Now, when you still have sore muscles, there are some other things that I love doing that just soothe my muscles. Talking about soothe, I love this new roller from Young Living, Soothe. It's CBD, and there's no THC, so don't worry. But this is infused with CBD and essential oils. 3 eucalyptus oils, copaiba, myrtle, and put that on the soreness. It smells so good. Put it on your chest. You could even use that for pre-workout too. So there are lots of supports, so I'm going to talk about a few of my favorite. Panaway is perfect to get that pain away. It's, relaxing to take a bath when you have sore muscles, so you can add Panaway to your bath salts and take a relaxing bath. Also, put on Panaway first. Let's say you have sore shoulders, and then layer with copaiba. So just put this directly wherever you have pain. Next, one of my favorites, all of these I use a lot, Deep Relief. It really does what it says. It comes in a pre-diluted roller, and I get sore, especially like stress-related sores or on my knees, because that's my weakness. Roll that on. Next, Young Living's a little bit stronger is Cool Azul Pain Cream, and there is the Cool Azul Sports Gel. That was in my order, but it didn't come yet. So this is amazing for any aches and pains, even arthritis. I like Ortho Ease massage oil because you can get a squirt and massage a bigger area. It's infused with all the great oils like wintergreen for sore muscles. Okay, I think I talked about everything else except, you know, even just grab your carrier oil like V6 and a eucalyptus and a massage tool and really work those muscles. One thing that I have is this roller. Have you seen one of these things that you can roll on sore areas that push out the lactic acid as well? So I hope you got motivated that it's okay to work out and get sore, because there are some great supports. And get active, and I hope you enjoyed this series of workout tips. Let's talk, let's go on a workout together. Or if you want to try a sample of something, please let me know and I will bring it to you. All right, thank you.